I hate the idea of frying my hair every time I want to curl it or straighten it. Usually I use a flat iron to style my hair, but I worry about damaging my hair. So I got these steam rollers. I had a set back in the 90s, but the foam rollers finally disintegrated, so I got this new set by Conair. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So here's a bag of foam rollers. You get 12 of these, and they're 3/4 inch rollers, so it should be enough to cover an entire head of hair. You also get the covers that you clip onto the rollers to keep the steam in while the rollers are in your hair. And here are the instructions on how to set it up and how to use them. They even have some pictures to guide you along. Let's see what else is in the box. So they threw in a fabric bag. It has a tie string, so when you want to do your hair while traveling, you can pack the rollers and the steam unit in this bag to keep everything together. I think that's pretty convenient. And here's the container where you fill it with water. I'm going to go ahead and fill it with cold tap water. They even have a little window on the container with a marker so you know how to fill the water up and only to fill it to the line marked max. Now I'll plug it in and then I'll put the lid on and then I'll go ahead and insert the foam rollers onto the lid. The foam rollers will stand upright and the lid fits up to 4 rollers at a time. I'll let the water heat up and I'll come back with a follow-up video on how to put the rollers in and the final results.